This is my S1100 that I just finished putting LEDs on, and I wanted to try something different than what iNav gives you. So I put a Arduino Nano together with two buttons that allows me to cycle through patterns and then variations of those patterns. So when you turn it on, it just comes with just a basic one little light on just in case it's sunny at the field and I don't really care about if it has lights on or not. And then I can vary the pattern, so I can change that color. So there's an orange, there's a blue, there's a white. Next pattern is it's like a streak. It's like a Cylon effect, but only one direction. And then I can vary the pattern by just to change the color. There's a pink, I think there's the red, blue. Different pattern is okay, so this is Cylon back and forth, and if you can see it, it's changing the color as it moves. It's not just one solid color. And you can change it if you want. So I think that's yellow. There's your standard red. There's a blue, white. This is two Cylons together, so they're overlapping, and in the middle the colors change. Different pattern next. So I don't know, I might get rid of this one. It just kind of, all the lights change and they gradually change to different colors. I don't know if I like it or not. So this is just a moving rainbow. So the colors of the rainbow move together. So it's pretty cool. This is the fire effect. So this is just white to yellow to red, and then I put in another variation for blue. So this is white to brighter blue to darker blue, and then there's rainbow fire. This pattern is kind of cool. It's just 6 balls that chase each other around. You can see them moving, and sometimes they get faster, sometimes they get slower, sometimes they spread out. This is just a bar pushing back and forth, and we're right back to the beginning.